Do you consider yourself or your Discord members, for a kinder phrase, low IQ? You ever find yourself arguing over the fact that a triangle actually has 4 sides? Well, you've come to the right place, because today we're integrating AI into a Discord bot. That way you can always know how many sides a triangle has. And to do this, the first thing you need to do is install Discord and Google Generative AI. And you can do this by pip install Discord and Google Generative AI in the terminal. And after this is installed, you're going to need to create a new Python file, and you can call it whatever you want. And in this new Python file, you're going to import Discord, and from discord.ext, import commands. And then we're going to import our AI. So import Google Generative AI as GenAI. And then we're going to create 2 variables to hold our Discord token and our Gemini API key. And the next thing we need to do is actually create these tokens so that we actually have something to use. I'm running out of words. I'm stupid myself. So we're going to head over to the Discord developer portal, and on the portal, we're going to create a new bot. And I'm going to call mine AI bot, and then agree to the terms and click create. And in our bots, we need to click on what intent we have. I have intent to do everything. So present intent, server member intent, and message content intent. And then in the installation, we're going to go to the install link and click Discord provided link. And for our default install settings, we're going to put bots, and I'm going to give my bot admin privileges. And then you can copy the link and add it to your Discord server. And what we actually came here for is the token, so we need to go get that. So go to your bot tab and then click reset token, but you might have to enter your password and then copy the token. We can paste it where we declared our variable. The next thing we need is our Gemini API key. So I'm going to search Gemini API key and then head over to Google and get an API key. So then I'm going to click get an API key. Okay, got it. And then, of course, get an API key. And now I finally have an API key. So you click copy. We're going to go back to our code and paste it where we declared our Gemini key variable. Then we want to set up Gemini. So genai.configure API key equals Gemini API key. And then intents equals discord.intents.default, intents.message content equals true, and bot equals commands.bot, command prefix equals exclamation mark, and intent equals intent. So how many intents did we actually end up using? Because we set presence intent, server member intent, and message content intent. So we only really needed the last one. But who's ever complained about more privilege? Let's be real. Not me. After that, we're going to declare our command. So at bot.command, name equals query, async def query, ctx, star, and question. So the star lets you have more than one argument for your question. So you can, put more than one word for your question. And then if not question, await ctx.send, please provide a query, and then return. And this basically means if there's nothing in the question, send, please provide a query. And then try model equals geni.generative model, Gemini 1.5 flash, response equals model.generate content question. So this is generating a response from the prompt. If response and has attribute response text equals response.text. And for chunk in response text, I plus 1900, for I in range 0 to length of response text 1900, await ctx.send chunk. So you're probably wondering why we need this. Well, Discord has a limit of how long your message can be. It's 2000. I set it to 1900 in the hopes that, you'd get less errors, but realistically, there's no reason to not set it to 2000. And then we need to complete our try and accept with an accept exception as E, await ctx.send, an error occurred whilst processing your request. And we're going to make this an F string and then put the E in the curly brackets. And finally, bot.run, and then we need to put our Discord token. So let's run the bot and ask it how many sides a triangle actually has. So it seems to be running. And then in our Discord chat, query, how many sides does a triangle have? A triangle has 3 sides. Oh, it's not 4. What am I thinking? AI technology. How else would we know how many sides a triangle has?